is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles and all that. And today I've got one from Germany. Yeah, they make, well, these are made in Hungary, but they're a German product. Cup noodles, 5 spices beef. With, oh, it says aromatic spicy soup. Damn it. She won't touch this with a 10-foot pole, ladies and gentlemen. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Uh-oh. Now YouTube is going to get mad. Oh well. I don't care today. I just don't care how mad YouTube thinks it needs to get about me saying that. Because it's in context, right? So, anyways, put on there. I got 3 minutes. Well, I guess this one will go down the drain just like the last one did, which is a real bummer because I thought it was going to get enjoyed, but it shan't. We'll see how spicy is. It's 5 spices, and then it says aromatic spicy. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, Momofuku Ando speaks. Quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 65. A company should develop itself as a forest rather than a lone cedar tree out in the field. Do cedar trees grow in fields? I don't know. I get it. Number 66. Making a deal consists of giving and taking. You will lose everything if you take too much from your partner. Very true. Gotta be fair. So, the group is almost at 69,000 members, so it's almost at 70,000 is what that means. But what's the thing lately? Which one's better, Shin Red or Shin Black? Don't ask that kind of question of us or your fellow noodle friend peoples. Or don't ask, hey, I see this noodle at the store and I bought it and I brought it home. I'm going to take a picture of that package of noodles. Now I'm going to ask, will I like it? Will you like it? I don't know. Can we cut your mouth off and stuff it down your throat and let you try it to find out if you like it? I think you should just go for it. Just grab life by the short and curlies and try that 30-cent pack of instant noodles and see what kind of person you end up being. Somebody who likes the variety of noodles or doesn't. Don't ask me if you're going to like it. Tell me that you liked it or you didn't. Simple. We get a lot of that, and it's really kind of tiring. But it's like, it's gonna be okay. Just give it a try. You'll either like it, or I'm gonna tell you, I bet you can figure out the opposite. You'll either like it or you won't. Or I guess you could just be indifferent to whether you like it or not. But it's really like, just try it. I love to try new stuff. So anyways, not to be extremely like horrible and insane or anything, but please knock it off. Just a little bit. Just knock it off. Just a little bit. So the group of us that does the moderation, I dubbed the group Section 42, and 42 refers to quotation number 42 in Momofuku Ando Speaks, which is think, and think again. The more I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine. Now, generally, if you posted that in a group about food, most likely your comment would be deleted and you'd be banned and labeled a weirdo. So I figured since it's relevant, it's from the guy who invented the instant noodle. I just thought it was a funny thing. There's our noodle. Cheers. This is not something I would call spicy. And it's got little bits of beef in it. Bits of beef. Broth. It kind of, honestly, the last one I did was a snack ramen from South Korea, and it kind of reminds me of that one, except the beef flavor is much richer, and there's pretty obviously little bits of beef going on in it. So I like this one a little bit better. But as far as the spiciness, I don't think they mean spicy. I think they mean spiced. Like it's richer. There's more stuff going on in there to give it more of a flavor. It's got more of the flavor. That's the flavor. That's the flavor. That reminds me of what's that movie? Goodfellas. When they're all in jail and they're making the food. And the guy's like puts chicken, pork, and beef and all that, and the whole part where he's like using a razor blade to cut the, what was it? And Paulie would cut the garlic with a razor blade so thin that it would just melt in the pan with a little bit of butter. It's like, and it's like this old guy cooking the meat. And he's like, yeah, that's the flavor. Veal, pork, and beef. That's the flavor right there. Isn't it veal? No, I think it was veal, lamb, and chicken? I don't know. It's been a while since I've watched that movie. But I have cut garlic before with a razor blade just to see if it was like worth bothering with. And you know what? It is. It's pretty neat when you do that. It comes out rather nicely. Okay. I'll do this right now. Well, I'm happy to report that I think this will still be in the range of flavor that my wife will probably enjoy. So we're saving lives here today, ladies and gentlemen. We're saving the lives of bowls of noodle. And I'll tell you on the next episode whether she finds this concoction I'm putting together right now something she actually wants to eat, or is like, oh no, that's okay. No, that's okay. It'll be one or the other, I figure. Now, it's time for our deity. Holy slicer. I think a week off from using the Holy Slicer taught me something, and that's don't use too much of it. Push it through at a pretty decent pace, and definitely make it in the spot that you don't have much anything already. And I think that's working out to be the dealy deal. Yeah. It didn't work out as perfect as I'd hoped, but it's pretty darn perfect, so I can live with that. And I think we are golden, ladies and gentlemen. That's about as far as we're going to go. So while it's still warm, I'm going to... Let's do some rotato. You want to rotate? Here we go. we got one more to do. This is the last of the beefering. This is from Thailand. This is by Fashion Food. It's really called. That's what the FF stands for. Fashion Food. And this is a shrimp creamy tom yum noodle that came out of an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And yeah, check it out tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. I'll let you know if my wife liked this bowl. Have a good one. Bye-bye.